And I've transitioned completely out of Etsy and went straight into Shopify, which is also tied into eBay. And those are only 2 stores I'm running. As a matter of fact, we're even doing a Google business now. We're #1 on the Google search engines in our area for custom designed buildings. And we're beginning customers in that way through our Google business. And we're real proud of that. So anyway, that's the business side of that. And that's the reason I wanted to tell you about the water-based resins, because I really like them. I love them. Matter of fact, they have the greatest detail. And I haven't really even played with ABS in a long time since I've been hooked on this. And I really can't do ABS in this garage anyway because the smell would just kill me. That was one tip. Now, another tip I talked to you about in other videos, this thing's printing right now, matter of fact, is putting handles on your stations. Handles on this. Okay, I've got some resins. I'm cleaning them out. I've got my vat cleaner here. And all I did was I just took a regular scalpel that I got from like either Home Depot or Dollar Tree or whatever, and I sharpened the end of it. And this thing works perfect without scraping the build plate. And it pulls the prints off. I'm not going to demonstrate it to you, but that's what I got. And I got my little tray, and I did buy a surplus of these because these are the only things that you should use in your vat, your resin vat, to clean with or to get the extra stuff off with. It's got rounded edges. And I can just rinse this with water and it's done. That's the nice thing about it. Okay. So the water station doesn't need handles, but the curing station does. So let's say I've got a bunch of prints right here and I just took them off, put them in the vat, lifted it up. Matter of fact, there's some right there right now. Letting it dry a little bit, then taking it over. And I'll tell you another tip here in a little second here. But anyway, so then I come back over. And this is already on here, and I've got my parts. I can either set them down right here and then pick this up with both hands because I'd have to pick it up like this, right? But with the handles, I'm just, boom, right there. Man, you just can't beat that. The handles are fantastic. And I think one of my videos, I show you how to make those. I'm not going to sell those, but maybe if you want the file, I'll give them to you. But anyway, so then you take your parts, put them in your curing station. So what I wanted to talk to you next about would be, let's see. Yes, I'm growing a new channel. It's called Echo Miniatures. I have a shop, echominiatures.com. I would like to see you there. If you just want to Google search my company, you just type in echominiatures.com. If you want to see us on Google Maps, you just type in, I don't know, custom printing near me. And if you're in a clean area in Texas, you'll see us. Our Google business is not doing anything outside of the local area. That's going to be strictly for this area. We're right next to an Army base, and we'll be getting a lot of these guys who need prints done before they go on leave or before they go overseas or whatever for their loved ones or for their kids, and we're able to pull them off. We're making toy replacement parts. We're making ball-jointed dolls. We're making automotive parts for people. I mean, anything you want. And I've even put in my Shopify that, and this would be for the world, basically. If you have something custom, come see me. I'll be more than happy to look at it for free. And if I can't do it, I'll tell you so for free. I don't charge you anything just to look at your files. I don't charge you anything to give you my opinion. Now, if you commit to me, then that's another story. And I have a setup for that on the Shopify. Blessings to you. Pray that you have a successful business wherever you are. If you have any questions, come ask me. I'd be more than happy to share my knowledge with you. To a point. I'm not going to share all my tips and secrets because I'm making money off of them. But like and subscribe and share like everybody says we're supposed to do. I'm getting a lot of hits and a lot of views on the shorts. I'll probably turn this into a short. Blessings and see you in the next one.